You're meeting people. They're like, man, I'm really interested. They came to you. You're reaching out to them. They're not answering. They're not calling you back. They're ghosting you, correct?
Correct.
Let's fix it. It happens to all of us all the time. Let's try and fix it right now. First thing I need you to realize, maybe write this down if you're really frustrated. I got so frustrated. I was beyond where you're frustrated years and years ago, and I had to start writing this down on a regular basis. I wrote, do you want to be rich or do you want to be right? Do you want to be rich or do you want to be right? And what I mean by that, C Money, is you can either close business or you can teach people a lesson. But most of the time you can't do both. So if Anthony ghosts you for a year, doesn't call you back, misses a meeting, again, this is where we need to have our process set before our butt sits down in the aircraft. What is my process? I'm going to follow my process, trust my process. So I'm going to decide how much Anthony can ignore me before I stop calling him. But what I'm never ever going to do is say, bumping this up to the top, this is the last time I wanted to reach out to you. Anthony, you seemed really interested and I hadn't heard back from you. Now we become a junior high school person trying to date somebody else. Well, I got to be right. I got to prove to Anthony that he broke my heart and he ghosted me. Okay, I'm not trying to discount your emotions. I'm just saying they're not serving you in this place. So number one, do you want to be rich or do you want to be right? Number two, have a process ahead of time. Here's my follow-up. Here's how many times I'm going to follow up. I'm going to stick to my process. I'm going to stick to the script. I'm not going to get emotional. And then number three, what you can do, C Money, real quick, what line of business are you in? What benefit do you provide these people?
We save them money on alternative ways to maintain their computer infrastructure.
Cool.
Instead of going to the manufacturer for maintenance, they can come to my company and save a lot of money.
Yeah, so maybe, and I'm just going to pull this out of my butt, but maybe if they come to you or call you or walk up to your booth in the trade show, you should have some questions, some really basic level root fundamental questions that you're going to get out while they're in front of you that first time, or while they reached out to you that first time, or when they went into your booth. And that might sound something like this. Anthony, just out of curiosity, what are you spending on maintenance right now? Anthony's going to go, oh my God, too much. And I'm going to hang in there. Just like a wrestler, I'm going to hang in there, right? I'm going to get my ears a little cauliflower. I'm going to go, Anthony, when you say too much, how much are we talking? Man, we spend upwards of $75,000 a quarter maintaining these systems. God, $75,000. Where would you like that to be, right? And he might be a smart ass. I'm just covering all the bases. Smart, well, zero. Got it. Ideally, where do you think you could get if you had everything squared away, you had the right relationships between 0 and 75? I mean, I would love to have it be 10,000, right? Now, I want to turn this into a whole, we're going to redo your whole sales process. But my purpose of showing you this is now when I call Anthony back on Monday after the trade show, instead of saying, Anthony, it's Matt Easton with Easton Technology Group. Man, we had a great conversation at the show. I'm so excited to talk to you about reducing your overall expenses for your IT infrastructure. Sales pitch. Anthony, Matt Easton over here at Easton Technology Group. It's great meeting you on Friday. Excited to continue the discussion, see what we can do in terms of getting you from $75,000 every quarter in maintenance down to $10,000. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Notice how I sounded like a pilot there, right? And now they're like, oh shit, yes, that is a $65,000 a quarter phone call. I need to call that guy back because everybody else that was not skillful that met with them, right? You have to understand, sales is not a vacuum. None of us are monogamous. Okay, we're all running around hooking up with everybody else. So I'm not the only person calling Anthony, right? Which is why we get ghosted. Anthony's getting 11 of these calls today. I'm going to be the one out of the 11 that attaches the outcome and where his outcome, not mine. And I want to be really clear on this. Not, I'm calling you because we're excited to save you money on your infrastructure. That's my sales pitch. But if I asked Anthony, hey, just out of curiosity, where are you at right now? 75K a quarter, right? Now I can, what was that? What is that, guys? 300 a year? I think it's 300 a year. I don't know. My math sucks, right? So we can get you from that 300 a year down to 30,000 a year. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. So number one, there's nothing you can do about it all the time. Number two, do you want to be rich or do you want to be right? We're not teaching anybody a lesson anymore. No more bumping it up to the top. No more last time, we're gonna call it. Number 3, we're gonna have a process. We're gonna trust the process. And number 4, we're gonna ask Anthony some questions in the very beginning that are gonna put an outcome to all of our messages from here on out. And then you're just gonna leave the same gosh darn message for Anthony. We're not gonna get emotional. And then if Anthony ghosts us, we're just gonna stop calling Anthony. We are never, ever, 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 ever gonna say, this is the last call I'm gonna make to you, because we're gonna have to see him at the trade show next year, right? And I want his money. I'd rather be rich than right, okay? The only person I care about being right with is my kids. Everybody else, hey, you can think you got one over on me, but I'm getting your business, right?
Right, because what happens at these trade shows, they start to become these social drinking events.
Yep.
Which is fine, but I'm not there to make friends. I'm there to make
100%.
money.
Yep, 100%, which is why, and I'm not gonna get into personal stuff, but I bring it up on the portal. I recommend not drinking, right? And if you feel uncomfortable,
I don't.
yeah, good.
I don't.
And then come with those questions. Where are you at right now? Where do you want to be? What research have you done on us? Right? What do you do? Would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things we do? Right? And have a more skillful dialogue there.
Those are all empowering questions.
100%. And they're loading you for your follow-up after the show. Right? Because you're now starting right now, you're in the outcome business, not in the reducing cost business. What's the outcome of that? Right? The outcome of that is they're going to have more of their top line revenue. Right? The outcome of that is they're going to be able to hit their goals ahead of schedule and under budget. The outcome of that is whatever they said it was, if that makes sense.
Got it. Okay, second one real quick.
Yeah.
What's a proactive, unstoppable way to follow up via email? I use Boomerang today, so if
Yep.
I send someone an email, I Boomerang it so it drops back in 2 weeks, reminds me to email them again. Should I just keep resending
Yes.
that same email?
Yes.
Should I automate it, drop it into my CRM and like into a sequence?
You can. I personally don't, and my people don't, because what I do is I call. I know it sucks. I actually do the work. So if it's Lena, I'm going to call Lena, and then I have the email in a template. And as I'm Lena, Matt Easton here at Easton University, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our sales coaching for architects. I'm on my mobile 720, or I'm sending you an email right now, and I'm on my mobile 720-660-3202, and then boom, I hit send on that email. So it's just, it doesn't feel automated, but it's part of my process. I know she's going to get an email and call. Yeah.
And I can do this every 2 weeks.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.